everyone, it's Catherine from WinPure here. If you're watching these videos in sequence, by the way, the fact my hair is getting curlier is to do with humidity. Think Monica, friends, and feel sorry for me. Don't laugh. Anyway, where were we? We were looking at this matrix. Now, we talked about removing spaces and removing noise and regular expression, but the matrix goes much further than that. And don't forget, we can always save these matrices. Most of my customers have one matrix for sales, one for marketing, one for product management, because obviously you've got different column headings and different requirements as to what's noisy in your data. So once we've got removed all the noise, we can then look at converting where mistakes are made, or emptying it to a value and changing the data that way. We can look at standardizing it, making sure, let's have a look down here. See the contact name? It's in capital letters. Now this isn't very nice when you start shouting at somebody when you're sending them an email campaign. So we want to make sure that that's in proper case. And it's changed it straight away for you down here to put it into proper case under the contact name so that you've got that correct for your clients. Obviously the email address needs to be in lowercase. But you can make all these decisions on how to standardize your data and have it looking correct for your customer. We can split the data. Now, if we split on contact name, we can also do gender identification, which the system will add in down here for you. Now we've got a U, who's unidentified? Somebody that doesn't have a name is therefore unidentified. So we can do a lot on splitting. We can split addresses, we can split the name and the email, we can check the email address. Simply checking it, not validating it, not going outside of your environment. Remember, this is not cloud-based. This is based on your environment, on your PC or on your laptop. But what we can do is look at the email address and say, that's got a comma in it, or instead of a dot, or it hasn't got an @ sign, it's got a bracket instead. So the system will look to make sure that that email address is a correctly formatted email address. We can split words based on the criteria you tell the system to, and again we've got regex, so we can do plenty here on splitting and standardizing or merging. So if you've got the name in two boxes, so first name and last name, and you actually want them together, you can do that and merge them together as well. So even more you can do on this matrix to get your data looking presentable for both you, for your customer, and to make sure they're addressed properly. Another little bite-sized chunk for you, and I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching.